Hello everyone. What we're going to do in this tutorial is find the circumference of a circle. The word circumference simply means the perimeter of a circle, or the distance all the way around a circle. And the formula to find the circumference of a circle is circumference is approximately equal to pi times the diameter of a circle. Now some may ask, why do we use approximately equal to? Well, that's because for pi we're going to substitute the value 3.14, which is already a rounded value. Therefore the answer is technically a rounded answer. So let's get started. Now the first thing we want to do in the second step of the formula is write circumference is approximately equal to, and we're going to use 3.14 to represent pi. 3.14 times the diameter. Now a common mistake that many people make is they look at the picture, see the number in the circle, and use that number. But you have to be careful. This number 4 represents the radius of the circle, and the radius is exactly half of the diameter. So what you do if the radius is given is simply double that radius. So take 4 times 2, and that gives us 8 meters. Now all we have to simply do is multiply 3.14 times 8. Now before we do though, understand that the value of pi is just a little bit bigger than 3. So let's do an estimate before we get the actual answer. Well, because this is close to 3, I'm just going to estimate by doing 3 times 8, which is 24. So our final answer should be just a little bit bigger than 24. So let's see what our answer precisely is. So we're going to take 3 and 1400ths, multiply it by 8 meters. 8 times 4 is 32, carry the 3. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11, put a 1, carry another 1. 8 times 3 is 24, plus the 1 is 25. And because we have 2 place values after our decimal, we have to place our decimal in the answer. So we also have 2 place values after that decimal. So our final answer is circumference is approximately equal to 25 and 1200ths meters. Now this final answer would be approximately 3 times bigger than the distance across the circle. That's where we get this value of pi from, 3.14, because the distance around the circle is 3.14 times bigger than the diameter.